guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, sorry, my annoying brothers there. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing how to soften up your slime. We'll be needing lotion, St. Ives, or whatever you want. Aveeno works the best. But I'm going to be using St. Ives today. You can use any type of lotion. Well, not any type, but use the St. Ives or Aveeno. Those two work the best. We'll be needing some slime. As you can see, it's so thick and glossy. It's not that glossy, but it is really shiny. So, grab your slime and your lotion. Oh, and you'll need a platform. I'm using that much lotion. I'll leave that there if you guys want to see it. I'll show you. I'm just gonna put it here. Leave it back there. Yeah, it's you need that much lotion at least, depending how big your slime is. I put about like 8 squirts. It will make your hands all lotiony. And the good thing about that, you can just, rub it in. And the trick to getting it faster into your slime is keep folding it over. Mine's already pretty good, but it looks like octopus, guys. So really disgusting, but it'll come out good after. Just gonna keep mixing. Is that disgusting or what? I'm just gonna get that off of my fingers. Okay, so it looks pretty disgusting. But when you fold it, it looks so pretty. I think I'm almost done. To add food coloring with your lotion and then put it in, and it looks pretty. But I'm not allowed to use food coloring, plus I don't have any, so sorry, I can't do that. But that is a hack. Okay, it feels like it got way softer. It's not fully mixed, but it's starting to feel way softer. Another item you can use to make your slime softer is Aveeno lotion, St. Ives lotion, and hair gel. Use dollar store hair gel. It works the best. But if you guys know what superstores, they have good lotion too that you can use, and hair gel too. Save on Foods does, those kind of places. But if you don't have those in your town, you can just find some at the dollar store. Okay, I love this. Okay, I think it's almost done. I don't use my platform because, first of all, it's like my counter. First of all, it's my dresser. Second of all, it's wood. And the third thing is, it'll get all glittery. As for this lid, it's all glittery, but it comes off like easily, really easily. My fingers are all glittery. It's not going to be glittering. My table won't be glittering now because my lotion is all mixed in. Never mix stuff in on wood. Oh my thing. I'm gonna get you guys into this. That down. That's as far as it goes. Oh, my phone made. I made this, not at my house though, at my friend. I just have to be so amazing. Okay, just move. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. And make sure to watch all my other videos. I'm sorry if my hair looks really weird because I'm still in my pajamas. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and turn on those notification bells. And I will be posting another video in 3, 2, 1. Bye. Sorry, it's not turning up. Bye. It's not turning off. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys.